I'm making so much videos because this is my first time like letting my voice in that I could have it actually in. Okay. Blue poppet, butterfly, blue poppet. Yes. It's the yes. I'm gonna throw the ones that I don't want, like wacky track. It's so hard with one hand, and if you want to do it with one hand, you can't. Trash. Simple dimple. Yes. Bowl that lights up. Barely can see it in the morning. No. And I don't like it anyway because it's squishy. Squishies. Yes. And get all the other squishies. Yeah? Be right back. Yeah, bye.